How to be professional in the workplace. Dear viewers, we will discuss in this video how to be professional. So, welcome to this video on professionalism in the workplace. Being professional at work means that you are able to conduct yourself in a manner that is respectful, responsible, and builds trust with others. In this video, we'll be discussing the various aspects of professionalism in the workplace. First tip is dress appropriately. The first aspect of professionalism is dressing appropriately for the workplace. Dressing appropriately means you should ensure that your clothing and overall appearance is neat, clean, and professional. Avoid wearing revealing or inappropriate attire, which could create a distraction in the workplace and make others uncomfortable. Next tip is be punctual. The second aspect of professionalism is being punctual. Punctuality plays an important role in building credibility and trust with your colleagues and superiors. Being on time shows that reliability and commitment towards your work. Next tip is communicate effectively. The third aspect of professionalism is effective communication. Communication is a key element for collaborating with others and building a positive workplace environment. Ensure clear and concise communication with colleagues through professional emails, phone calls, and meetings. Avoid gossiping or spreading rumors in the workplace as it can affect business relationship and create negative working environment. Next tip is maintain a positive attitude. The fourth aspect of professionalism is maintaining a positive attitude. A positive attitude can help you overcome colleagues in the workplace and build better relationship with your colleagues. Keep a smile on your face, greet others with respect, and remain calm under pressure. Next tip is be respectful. The fifth and final aspect of professionalism is being respectful. Respect for co-workers, bosses, clients, and customers is key to building a positive and productive workplace culture. Treat everyone with respect, use appropriate language, and avoid foul language, vulgar jokes, or inappropriate gesture. Respect goes a long way in maintaining a healthy and productive workplace. Dear viewers, in conclusion, I would like to say professionalism in the workplace is essential in building credibility, trust, and respect in the workplace. Therefore, dress appropriately, be punctual, communicate effectively, maintain a positive attitude, and be respectful to others. Incorporating these aspects of professionalism into your work life will help you build strong working relationship and increase opportunity for career growth. I hope this video is helpful to you. You should maintain the decorum of your office. You should take care of your own virtues, your gratitude, your knowledge, and your respect. Dear viewers, I understand the importance of office, so these tips would be helpful to you. If these are helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe the channel. We'll see in another video. Thank you and Jai Hind.